There's an interesting question I stumbled upon. So this is a question for a tech job, and it takes 15 seconds to do, and it presumably filters out 50% of unqualified applicants. If you get this question wrong, you're not inherently unqualified. What unqualified means in this context is that you used AI to do this problem for you. So you don't attend work to have AI do work for you. You go to work so that you do the work. And the idea is that instead of creating a question that relies on you using logic to figure out the correct answer, you instead make a question that is really simple that anyone can do off the top of their head. The problem with the traditional logic-based questions is that you can only use them once. Once you've used it, it will be out there on the internet and AI will learn about it, and you can just ask AI to do the question for you, and you will be able to get the correct answer that way. So those traditional questions are just one-time use. This one, however, doesn't have this issue because it is so simple that if you know how to do this, you will just do it off the top of your head. So this is Python code, and basically what it does is it checks these three numbers. If the number is greater than 3, you will subtract it from the result. If it's not, then you add it. So these 3 and 3 here are not greater than 3. So you add them, that's going to be a 6. And then 5, which is greater than 3, you subtract it. So 6 minus 5 will be 1. The result is 1. However, if you end up copying this thing, you get a little bit lazy and you copy the entire question and you send it to an AI. The AI isn't gonna give you a wrong answer, but you will ask it a wrong question in the sense that this line here, if you copy it and you paste it, you will see that it's not the same. There is an equals here, which completely changes the result. So with the equals hidden, it will be as if you subtract all of them. So 0 minus 3 will be minus 3, minus 6, and then minus 11. So you will get minus 11. So this question essentially filters out people who are lazy, who don't want to think, and just rely heavily on AI to do even the simplest things for them. So there are 3% that answered it incorrectly, but there was a few people who resubmitted the application, and turns out that one of them was a really good hire. So if you answer it incorrectly, doesn't mean you're unqualified. It just means that you don't heavily rely on AI to essentially hold your hand for you. A lot of these jobs, for the employee side, a lot of people, they see that they have to send like 1,000 applications just to get one job. But on the other side, people don't really think about this all that much, but employers need to go through 1,000 applications to find one good employee. So that is something that kind of both sides kind of, what is it called, a tug of war? Both sides kind of race against each other. So it's just an interesting question that I wanted to share. That's just about it.